Today we are reviewing Samsung Galaxy A04s. Samsung Galaxy A04s has a display size of 6.5 inches with a display type of PLS IPS LCD. The resolution on this phone is 720p with 270 ppi with the ratio of 20:9, which is about 80.7 screen-to-body ratio. The front-facing camera has 5 megapixel with internal storage of 64 gigabytes with micro SD card expansion available. There is no wireless charging available on this phone. For security, you can use the fingerprint sensor or face unlock feature. The rear camera has megapixel of 50 megapixel with 2 megapixel depth sensing and 2 megapixel macro. There's portrait mode available on this phone for both front and rear cameras and has 4 gigabyte RAM. The processor on this phone is Samsung Exynos 850. The maximum video recording resolution on this phone is 1080p front and 1080p rear. The battery capacity on this phone is 5,000 milliamp hour with 15 watts. The software on this phone is Android 12. This was review for Samsung Galaxy A04s.